There's a reason some very simple outfits look finished and others don't, even when the pieces are very similar. It's not about having better clothes, it's about how the outfit is built. Today, I'm going to explain one of the easiest styling principles to fix that, using pieces you probably already own. It's called the third piece rule. And after you watch this video, you'll start spotting it everywhere. Hi, my name is Iraisa. Welcome to Silhouette Styling. Let's break down why outfits work. So, what is the third piece rule? Most everyday outfits are two pieces, a top and a bottom, a sweater and jeans, a t-shirt and trousers. That combination is fine, but visually it often feels unfinished. The third piece rule or third piece layering is when you add one additional visual element to give the outfit structure and intention. And no, this doesn't mean you need to throw on a blazer every time you leave the house. We're not trying to look corporate at the grocery store. The third piece can be very subtle. It just needs to belong. It's all about how the eye reads outfits. When you only have two pieces, everything sits at the same visual level, and the outfit can feel flat. A third element can create separation, depth, and hierarchy. And that can mean the difference between your outfit looking like a rough draft and you feeling yourself before you walk out the door. This is why stylists and editors use this constantly, especially for photos and videos. Layers give movement, they give dimension, and they help an outfit read from multiple angles. A third piece can be a lot of things. A blazer, a coat, a cardigan, a scarf, a belt, or a visible base, like a white t-shirt. What matters isn't the item, it's the visual impact. If it has structure, clarity, and a little je ne sais quoi, then it's working. Let's break down a few ways in which you can incorporate a few of these items in your everyday life when you're getting ready. One of the easiest ways to do this is with a white t-shirt or shirt peeking out underneath another layer. This outfit I wore in Barcelona last week is a perfect example. The white shirt acts as the third piece, it adds contrast, dimension, and it anchors the outfit. You can have the white shirt peeking out just around the neck. You can also do it showing both at the neck and underneath the top, or at the neck and at the sleeve, how I styled it here. There are not set rules. And if you remove it, the outfit still works, but it just doesn't feel as finished. That white layer is humble, but powerful. Another great everyday third piece is the vest, either knit or structured. This image is a perfect example of how that works in real life. At its core, this outfit is very simple. A white button down and trousers. On its own, that combination is classic, but it can also feel a little unfinished or overly formal. The vest changes that completely. It creates a clear middle layer that pulls the outfit together. It adds structure through shape, texture through the knit, and visual focus through the torso. What's important here is that the vest doesn't overwhelm the outfit. It supports it. This is especially useful for everyday settings when you want to look polished but not overdressed. You want to go to lunch, meeting a friend during the day, even just sitting somewhere for hours and still feeling comfortable. If you remove the vest, the outfit still works, but it loses depth. With it, the outfit feels intentional and complete. That's the power of a third piece when it's chosen thoughtfully. I personally love this look, and I recently purchased a few vests and I cannot wait to style them and show you guys. Another really common third piece is a lightweight jacket. And I don't necessarily mean a long heavy winter coat, although those are amazing too. Think a structured leather jacket, a cropped wool jacket, or even a suede one, or my favorite, a blazer. When you add a jacket or a blazer to something as simple as t-shirt and jeans, you're not dressing up, you're creating structure. For everyday life, this is especially useful when you want to look put together without trying hard. Running errands, school drop-off for the kids, or just meeting a friend for brunch. The jacket becomes that piece that tells the outfit what it's doing. If you take it off, the outfit still works, but it just doesn't hold itself the same way. I personally love having fun with blazers. I wore this outfit recently in Madrid. I think it's one of the easiest ways to elevate an outfit. I love blazers. Cardigan is another underrated third piece. When worn intentionally, not just thrown on, it adds softness and balance to an outfit. This image here is another one of me in Madrid, and it's a perfect example. At its core, it's still a very simple and good outfit. Jeans and a white button-up, you can't go wrong with that. But the cardigan completely changes how the outfit reads. It adds structure through the buttons and shape, softness through the knit, and balance between casual and polished. It creates a clear middle layer, which is what makes the outfit feel finished instead of bare. You can also wear the cardigan draped over the shoulders or worn open, and suddenly the outfit feels complete. It's still comfortable, it's practical, and now you look styled. It also adds dimension without adding stiffness. If you remove the cardigan, again, the outfit still works, but it loses intention. With it, the outfit feels considered. That's the power of a third piece when it belongs. Sometimes the third piece isn't a layer you put on, it's a detail that defines the silhouette. A belt is a perfect example of this. If you're wearing jeans and a tucked-in top, the belt becomes the visual anchor. It breaks up the outfit. It defines the waist. It can also be worn to add texture, intention, and dimension to the outfit. Without it, the outfit can feel a little unfinished, but with it, everything suddenly it makes sense. This is a great option when you don't want more fabric or more bulk, just more clarity on your outfit. A scarf is another classic third piece that works beautiful in everyday life. Not the overly styled kind, just a simple scarf, just added to a neutral outfit. We saw the scarf belting trend in 2025 where they were tied around the waist. A scarf is very versatile and can be used in many different ways. It adds movement, texture, and it gives the eye somewhere to travel. For everyday wear, this is especially helpful when your outfit is very just simple in color and shape. The scarf doesn't need to be loud. It just needs to belong. A bag can also function as a third piece when it reinforces the silhouette. A structured bag with a relaxed outfit adds balance. A softer bag with a more tailored outfit, it relaxes it. In everyday life, it matters more than we think because we're almost always carrying a bag with us. When it works with the outfit, everything feels intentional. When it doesn't, the outfit can feel unresolved. As you watch this, just think to yourself, what do all of these different examples have in common? It's intention. The third piece isn't about adding more, it's about helping the outfit communicate something clearly. And once you start noticing it, getting dressed becomes less trial and error and more just instinct. Now, if your outfit feels worse after adding a layer, it's not because layering doesn't work. It's because that specific piece doesn't work. Maybe it doesn't support the silhouette, it doesn't match the weight of the outfit, or it just doesn't belong in that combination. Styling is about editing, not adding. If your outfit feels off, ask yourself one question. Does this need another item or does it need another layer? That question alone fixes a lot of outfits. If you found this helpful, you can subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.